The adventure continues. Let's see what's next. On today's video, we will be talking about setting financial goals. Setting financial goals is just like a roadmap to success. So your success depends on the type of financial goal you set. Setting financial goals is a crucial step you must take if you want to achieve financial stability and security. It is very important to have clear objectives to work toward, and there are things you need to know. Number 1, I will call it specificity. Now, when setting a goal, you need to be specific. Instead of saying you want to save money, be specific on what you are saving for. Maybe it might be a house, or you might be saving to buy stocks. That way you can achieve your goal easier, because you have specified the goal you want to achieve. That way it's easier to work towards it. The second thing you need to know is measurable progress. Make sure your goals are measurable. Always track your goals regularly to check how close you are to achieving them. That way you will get motivated and make adjustments in essential areas. Number 3, achievable goals. Always make sure that when you want to set a goal, it will always be something you can achieve based on your current financial situation. Because if set something you can achieve, it will lead to frustration and disappointment. Through your income and expenses, you will be able to determine what you can realistically achieve. For a relevant goal, if you learned economics in school, you should know what scale of preference means. That's ranking your needs from less important to more important. So that applies here. Make sure your financial goals align with your values and priorities. Ask yourself questions like, is this goal really important for me? And will achieving this goal improve my financial well-being? 5 time-bound objectives. Set deadlines for your financial goals. This will motivate you and also create a sense of urgency and help you stay focused. Break down larger goals into smaller tasks. That way, you ensure steady progress. 6 short-term and long-term goals. Always know the difference between these two. Let me explain them for you. Short-term goals are goals you want to achieve in a short period of time, while long-term goals are the goals you want to achieve in a long period of time. Short-term goals can be paying off debt or saving for a vacation. This is a thing you want to achieve in a short period of time. While long-term goals can be saving to buy a business after retiring, so if you can distinguish between the both, it will help you set nice financial goals. Number 7, priorities, your goals. Set your priorities. Focus on the most crucial objectives first, before putting your resources into the less pressing goals. 8, create an action plan. Developing a detailed action plan can help you achieve your financial goals. Creating an action plan, I mean, creating a budget, increasing your income, investing wisely, spending wisely, and so on. 9, review and adjust. Always review your progress. That way, if there is any objective you will need to adjust, you will notice on time. And lastly, stay disciplined and patient. Achieving financial goals needs discipline and patience. If you are not disciplined and patient, you can end up losing your goals. This is one of the most important points in this video. If you are patient and disciplined, you will achieve your goals. We have come to the end of this video. If you watch till the end, comment down the point you will think is the most important while setting financial goals. And also, do well subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already. For better context, check out my previous video to get the most out of this playlist. Thank you.